Hello everyone, this is Patty in Evangel. We are a professional team for exporting machinery with more than 40 years experience. Now here we are at our Shanghai warehouse. One good machine will be introduced to you. Now let's go and have a look. This machine model is LG833N LONKING brand wheel loader. Its rated loading capacity is 3,000 kilograms, and the operating weight of whole loader is 10,300 kilograms. Because the loader is waiting to be packed into container later, so we dismantled the bucket firstly. Now we come to another side to see the bucket. Here in front of us, it is a standard bucket. The size is 1.7 cubic meters, and you can also choose to equip with a bigger bucket. The bigger bucket is 2.5 cubic meters. It is for loading light material. Nextly, we come into the cabin and have a look. This is a kind of high safety LOPS and FOPS cabin, and the joystick is with the mechanical shift control. Near here, we can see this air conditioner system, so driver will have a good sense when operating this loader. Finally, we come to have a look at the engine. It is a high efficiency 92 kilowatts Weichai brand engine, a Chinese brand diesel engine. It is 4-stroke, turbocharged, water-cooled, and direct-injected. In one word, you can trust it and you'll like it. Now our loaders is waiting to be packed. With our professional packing solution, 3 units can be easily loaded into 2 40-feet containers. So we will highly suggest you buy 3 units at once. In this way, you will save freight. What's more, except loaders, you can also see here are also plenty of other kinds of equipment. So if you have any interest in our construction equipment, feel free to send your inquiry message. See you next time. Bye-bye.